Welcome to Tyler's Toys. Today we're going to use Mickey and Minnie and put together his Mickey and Minnie Happy Birthday Lego Duplo train. So let's set them over here. So we have Mickey's balloons. Because what's a birthday without balloons? Now let's get the train together. Click these together. Now click the yellow one together. That looks good. Working well. Here's the front of the train. Put this on the first car. Here's the place for Mickey. These cute little Legos that are numbered. Here's 1 and 2. I think I'm going to put them in this middle car. And this cute little orange present with a tag can go right here in the middle. Yeah. Here's the 3. Cute little green Lego. The 4. And then this cute little blue present on top. Here's the cupcake bottom. Just have to put the inside cake into the cupcake. The top, you just pop it on like that, and then it makes this cute little cupcake. How cute is that cupcake? And just like every birthday cupcake, it has a cute little candle to go on top. You can put it back here on the last part of the train. And scoot it back so we can see all the cool little things on the Mickey train. And here's number 5. I think I might put 5 on top of the cupcake. Here we go. And this really big, cute pink present with stars. Mickey says, "Hi, boys and girls." I forgot the pink frosting for the cupcake. Okay. Maybe I should put the blue present back here. Hey, you guys, can you guys help me get in my train? I need help. Can you show me? There we go. Find Mickey's cute little pink dress. Can you find a spot for me on the train now? I think we can, Mickey. Let's put her back here. And then we can put this present on top. And don't forget Mickey's balloons. What's a birthday without balloons? There we have it, our completed Mickey and Minnie train. Here we go. Are you ready? Chugga 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 choo choo. Mickey and Minnie, happy birthday. Look at their cute little train. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Chugga 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 choo choo. Mickey and Minnie are driving a train. I think this has gotta be one of my favorite Duplo sets. I love the numbers, and the cupcake is always my favorite. What do you guys think? Chugga 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 choo choo. Let's turn around. Let's take Mickey off. Set her aside. And Mickey. Because what's a birthday train without a birthday present? A birthday surprise. We're gonna put the birthday surprise on the train. It'll be so much fun. So let's stack our number books together. Here we go. Put them in order. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count with Mickey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Congratulations! Take the cupcake off and set it back here. Think we could put the presents back on? Because what's a present train without a whole bunch of presents? Mickey has lots of surprises. Are you guys ready for my surprise train? No presents on. Can you guys put me and help us get on the train? Here we go. Mickey on front. And he says, we're about to have a big toy surprise for you. Mickey can hold the balloons this time. Oops. I mean, Minnie can hold the balloons. Let's get them in our hands. There we go. Chugga, chugga, chugga. Choo choo. We're ready to go get your surprise. Birthday surprise. Chugga, 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 choo choo. Chugga, 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 choo choo. And oh, surprise. Surprise. Oh my. Is there a whole nother part on the train? He says, we got this surprise just for your birthday. Are you ready to open up the caboose? Mickey says, I'll help you open it. Here we go. Surprise, what is it? A Disney Heroes? Pint signs? Collect them all. There's so many different kinds. There's a 1 in 12 chance. Who do I want? I think I want to collect Buzz. That's who I'd really want to get. Or one of the Mickey or Minnie. It'd be funny to have 2 Mickeys on this train. You ready? Oh, Mickey. Here we go. Let's see who we got. Get this bag open. There we go. Comes with this cute little checklist. Collect them all, pint-sized heroes. Here we go. And we got Ariel. Isn't she so cute? Look at her little hair and her cute little body. Her little fin. Her bright red full hair. So much hair. So much hair. Her cute little top. And her green little mermaid hair. Tail. Isn't she the cutest? I think Ariel was a great surprise. Now she can join on the train with Mickey and Minnie and go on a train ride. Just place her right in here. Take Minnie's balloons off. Place Minnie inside the train. Close up the caboose. Mickey can drive them. Here we go. Chugga 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 choo choo. Ariel and Minnie taking a train ride. Ariel and Minnie taking a train ride. Chugga 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 choo choo. Back it up, beep beep beep. Choo choo. I think we had so much fun on the surprise train today. Putting together Mickey's Duplo set. And opening up the Disney Minnie. Minnie and Ariel and Mickey. Wanna thank you so much for having us today. Thank you for coming. Ariel says thank you so much for the train ride, everyone. You're gonna be great friends. Don't forget to subscribe. If you really like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below to let us know what your favorite part of Tyler's Duplo set is. We can't wait to have more friends come and play with us. Yay! Mickey and Minnie. Mickey and Minnie. Make sure to subscribe.